Hi guys! Welcome back to DJ Boutique. Today, I'll show you how to create this pretty flower design just like the ones we use for our shop's bow headbands. Let's start crafting. We are going to use a gross grain ribbon, 2.5 cm wide and 38 cm long. First, let's heat seal the ribbon ends so they won't break. We will start sewing next, so have your needle and thread ready. I will be using flat back pearl for the centerpiece, but this is your chance to get creative. Use rhinestones, buttons, or any detail you love and have on hand. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
At DJ Boutique, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft.